Okay, Matt and Doug here at the Belleville Via Station.
This is gonna be a good one.
How you doing?
You know.
I've never seen that backyard.
Nope.
Never seen that house. I got the bikes.
Is this for mine?
Yeah, baby.
Let's do this.
All right, let's do it. Oh!
No, but seriously. Oh my, this is like Moana or like King Kong.
Here, you're making a tartare?
First, I'm gonna make a little tartar sauce to go with the fish.
I love it.
I'm gonna take everything out. Okay.
Just slap her on.
Dip it and rip it. Chip.
That's awesome, bro.
So how about one of everything?
One of everything.
Oh,
Look at this thing!
my God.
That's amazing.
Okay, I need a photo. Oh